Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. So today I will be showing you how to make a very simple, awesome stir fry with pork tenderloin, and I'm gonna marinate up the pork for the pork tenderloin for the stir fry, and serve it with some noodles, some chow mein noodles. So yeah, stick around for that. It's gonna be fairly very simple comfort food. So definitely want to stick around for that, and let's get started with our pork tenderloin stir fry with noodles. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. Tons of videos to check out on my channel, so you definitely want to do that after you check out the pork tenderloin stir fry. While I'm making the stir fry, I'm actually gonna share some two cooking secrets. So I'm full of them. So in this video, I'm actually gonna share two with you. So you definitely want to stick around for that. That'd be pretty awesome. I'm gonna show you two food secrets. There we go. Try to get like even pieces, and they'll cook more evenly. So my first food secret is, I kind of touched on it the last video. When you're cooking and when you're learning how to cook, there's two things that you have to know. The first one was salt. Two ingredients, very important: salt and pepper. And that's your basic ingredient for seasoning the food. Super important. That's because if you talk to some of the best chefs out there, they get really annoyed when you don't put proper seasoning in a dish, right? So those two ingredients, salt and pepper to taste, super important. And yeah, stick around or I'll share the other secret. I got quite a few of them, so. Alright, so there's our stir fry. Now, show you how we're gonna marinate this up. Okay, we're gonna marinate up the pork with a touch of sesame oil. Yeah, we're just gonna add a little flavor to the pork. Yes, I already put some rice wine vinegar in there. Soy sauce. A touch of oyster sauce. Okay. Not a lot, just a little bit to season it up. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up a bit. Touch of pepper, onion powder, just for seasoning, and some garlic powder. Okay, so I got some tomatoes. This is some parsley. This is all pretty small dice on most of the stuff. Some sliced carrots, some onions, some mushrooms. I got some little bit of thyme in there, and quite a bit of garlic, and the ginger. We have some cilantro. Yes, and some sesame seeds for our pork. Yeah, so you want to make sure you dice all that stuff up, and later on I'm going to kind of explain the second secret, coming up. And with the pork, I just added some Chinese 5-spice powder in there. Alright, so the pan's heating up. Fry our onions up first. Those all happy. And the thing with the kind of the Asian style food, it's the soy sauce because added to the pork is pretty salty, right? So I don't have to add like any seasoning in the veggies or anything. I'm just gonna add like pepper, and that's totally fine because you already have the salt in there, so that's definitely something to remember. Get our onions all happy. Touch of pepper. Yeah, we just want to wait till the onions get a little bit happy, and then we'll toss the pork in there. Because the onions will cook while the pork cooks too, right? So you just want to, soften it up a little bit. Now we can get our pork going. Yeah, just kind of spread all the pork up there. And you don't really have to like marinate the pork, as this is more for the flavory sauce, right? So, yeah. Cool. And I also put some sesame seeds into the pork as well. Of course, all the ingredients will be listed on the video and also listed down below. Yeah, so our pork is getting happy there. I wanted to show you a different angle there. Yeah, I'm just gonna filter through them over as they start to cook. Yeah, it's quite simple to do stir fries at home. It's not definitely not a hard thing to do. So you can do all kinds of different ones. I'll show you a few. So we've got pork tenderloin. It's always good for stir fry. Oh, it smells so delicious already. All right. So nice. Stir it all up. Start adding the veggies. So the carrots first. Yeah, toss some mushrooms in there. Perfect. And the carrots are cut quite thin, so they definitely won't take too long to cook. That was what the point of cutting them thin. Or the noodles. Noodles pasta. Alright. I did noodles. Pasta water's on, just always a touch of salt. Or sorry, the noodle pot is on. Well, the chow mein noodles actually don't take too long to cook, so. So I needed a bigger pot for the left with stir fry there. So. All right. Carrots are pretty good there. Keep down a little. Oh yeah. Now, garlic ginger thyme. There. Ooh, also have some leeks tossed in there. Oh yeah, leeks. Yeah, you can always come definitely like be creative. You can always do like different types of veggies. So something to remember. Just gonna touch a cayenne in there to spice it up a touch, a little bit, not much, a little bit. It's smelling good. A little bit of orange ginger sauce, just to kick it up a little. A little bit of that. Not much, just a little bit. It's just like a little sweetness, and of course with the ginger, definitely helps with that. So. Needs a touch of water. Toss everything else in there, so tomatoes in there, and it's fine, a little bit of parsley, so chopped parsley, and cilantro, and there is your stir fry. Oh, and also I'm just gonna wait for the, yeah, there was the bell right there. Yeah, I thought I'd show you that, and that's complete. Noodles. I keep saying pasta, but it's actually chow mein noodles. Our finished stir fry. Quite simple, quite easy, and very tasty. I can't wait to dig in. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And that was really fun with the stir fry. It's definitely a healthier option, so I always definitely like stir fries. They're very comforting, very good food. And yeah, and thanks for watching. And Beaumont's food question of the day is, what's your favorite Asian food? Get down in the comments, let me know. I love Asian food because of sort of how healthy it is and how fun it is, and so you can be creative with it, and some of the different flavors I love. So get down below and let me know what you guys like about the Asian cuisine. So let me know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a ton of videos. They keep growing, so definitely worth checking out. And the final secret is I was revealing some secrets. So the final secret of cooking is when you're beginning, I would suggest really getting into making stir fries. And Beaumont's secret is to make sure you do all your prep ahead of time, and that's all your slicing and dicing of all your veggies. You get that out of the way first, and then doing your stir fry is a whole lot easier, right? So that's another Beaumont's cooking secret tip, is get all your dicing and slicing done first, and then it's all ready, and then it's so much easier. And that's called your mise en place, which is things in place, very important. So there's a couple of secrets here in the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.